Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Food Thesis. In this video I am going to talk about an interesting mushroom that is only available during the month of July and how to cook this mushroom. Due to its highly perishable nature and narrow availability, this mushroom is very expensive, nearly about 1200 Indian rupees per kg. Common name of this mushroom is Indian Bihiden mushroom. We need to wash this mushroom first and then chop it into small pieces. Now heat a pan and stir fry about 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 10 to 12 gram of ginger and 1 onion with cumin seeds and little oil. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes until they turn brown. Cool the ingredient and make a paste using grinder or traditional grinding stone. Now heat a pan and add some oil. Let the oil get hot and after that add the paste which you grinded before. When the onion, garlic and ginger paste just started leaving the oil, add tomato in it. After 4 to 5 minutes of cooking, when the tomatoes melt totally with the spice or with the paste, then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chicken masala or Indian chicken masala and mix them very well. After mixing them very well, add half cup of water and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. After the ginger, garlic, onion paste is mixed properly with the spices and is well cooked, then add the chopped mushroom in it. Mix the mushroom properly with the paste and let it cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. Soon after some time, you will see the mushroom started leaving water. So the next step is cook the mushroom until all the water dried up. For this you have to cover the mushroom and let it cook for next 10 to 15 minutes until all the water dries up. The yummy mushrooms are now all ready to eat after the water dries up. Now this mushroom goes well with both chapati and rice. Hence you can serve it hot with chapati and rice for the afternoon meal or for the dinner. If you find this mushroom recipe yummy, then please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel Food Thesis. Thank you.